Wait, don't skip this video because what you'll learn today could be the difference between staying stuck at band 6.5 forever or finally achieving band 9.0. Most students never realize the real reason their score never moves up. This might be the most important IELTS lecture you ever watch. So stay till the end because I'll show you the hidden mistakes you're making right now and real-life band 9 strategies that truly work. Let's be honest, you're studying hard, watching videos, doing mock tests, but still the score doesn't move. Why? Because you're repeating the same habits without realizing they're wrong. Here are the real mistakes keeping you at 6.5. You spend hours memorizing grammar rules, reading books, and watching IELTS tips, but you don't speak or write naturally. Remember this. IELTS doesn't test your study hours. It tests your communication skill. Real students who reach band 9 practice speaking, not memorizing. They make mistakes, learn, and improve, not hide behind grammar books. Many learners memorize band 9 sample answers from the internet. But guess what? Examiners know when you sound like a robot. They lower your score for lack of natural speech. Band 9 speakers are fluent because they speak their own ideas confidently, not someone else's words. Most students spend 80% of their time on writing essays and forget that speaking, reading, and listening each matter equally. The IELTS score is an average, so if your listening or speaking is weak, your total band drops. A band 9 performer gives attention to every skill. Most students never read the official IELTS marking criteria. You can't hit band 9 if you don't know what examiners actually want. For example, fluency and coherence isn't about speaking fast, it's about speaking clearly with connected ideas. Once you understand this, your entire approach changes. You keep practicing, but no one checks your work. Without feedback, you repeat the same mistakes forever. Band 9 candidates always find a mentor, teacher, or language partner who gives honest corrections. Now that you know the real reasons you're stuck, let's move to the best part. Real-life solutions that can push you from 6.5 to band 9. Stop saying, "I'm studying for IELTS." Start saying, "I'm improving my English skills." Band 9 students focus on fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, and vocabulary, not just test techniques. Talk about your daily life in English. Think in English. Listen to English news. Make English part of who you are, not just a subject you study. Every day, record your 2-minute answer for a speaking question. Then listen. Notice your pronunciation, filler words like or like, and grammar slips. This daily self-feedback is like seeing yourself in the mirror while training. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice major improvement. Don't memorize random words. Learn topic-based vocabulary. For example, topic environment. Words like pollution, emission, renewable energy, sustainability. Then use them in sentences, like, renewable energy is essential for reducing pollution. When you use words in context, they become part of your active vocabulary. Translation slows your brain and ruins fluency. Start describing what you see in English. I'm sitting on a chair. The weather looks cloudy. Do this daily for 5 minutes. Soon, English will feel natural. Fluency equals speaking smoothly, not perfectly. Lexical resource equals using a variety of vocabulary naturally. Grammar equals accuracy plus complex sentences. Pronunciation equals clear, natural rhythm and intonation. Before you practice, read the band descriptor for band 9. That's your target map. Grammar study alone won't help you unless you correct your own errors. After writing, highlight your most common 3 grammar mistakes and fix them daily. This personalized correction is the fastest path to improvement. Band 9 listening isn't about hearing, it's about predicting and catching key words. Practice with subtitles first, then without. Pause and repeat sentences, notice pronunciation patterns, and shadow them aloud. This trains your ear for real exam speed. Examiners love paraphrasing. It shows vocabulary flexibility. Practice saying the same idea in 2 or 3 ways. It's important for kids to learn art. Art education plays a key role in child development. Young learners benefit from creative subjects. This skill alone can push you from 6.5 to 8.5. Many students lose marks because they panic and rush. For writing, plan 5 minutes, write 30 minutes, check 5 minutes. For reading, scan first, then answer. Don't waste time on one question. For speaking, pause naturally. Don't rush to fill silence. Choose short videos like BBC Learning English or TED Talks. Listen to one sentence, then repeat exactly with the same rhythm and tone. This trains pronunciation, confidence, and fluency all at once. Join a class, online teacher, or mock test feedback service. You need someone who points out your weak points, otherwise you'll stay stuck. Band 9 students constantly analyze their progress. If you improve by 1% every day, you'll double your ability in 70 days. Speak, write, listen, or read something in English daily. Consistency beats perfection. Change your phone language to English, follow English pages, and think in English during daily routines. Your Band 9 dream is not far. It's just hidden behind your habits. Stop studying harder, start studying smarter. Break those invisible walls of 6.5 by practicing, recording, correcting, and staying consistent. You already have what it takes. You just need the right system. If this video helped you, drop your score in the comments. Tell me where you're stuck, and I'll reply personally with a Band 9 plan for you. Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a powerful IELTS tip again. And remember, Band 9 isn't a dream, it's a decision. Make that decision today.